When we look at the buyer who engaged with you, we look at all the actions that the buyer did before starting the engagement, before he reached out. We look at all the buttons he clicked on. We map with AI all these buttons. So we map all your first-party data to intent signals. So we can know even before they even clicked on the knock button, we already know if their intent to buy is high or they have other intent. And I'll give an example. Someone started clicking on the job descriptions on your website. Probably is not coming to buy, he's looking for a job. And this allows us even before they click, before they send the first message, we already know their intent. And then based on the first message, the AI agent analyze their message and know if they came for support or came for a partnership or for other reason. So if they didn't come to buy, we already direct them to other routing for support, for partnership workflows, and we take them to other direction. And they can chat with the AI agent. If they come to buy, based on the routing, our customers can decide if they will chat with AI agent or a rep will talk to them based on their ICP fit. And all the enrichment we provide automatically about the person, their company details, company size, headquarter, and all this other stuff, and also their role. We take their LinkedIn profile, everything you need to know about this contact, we already give you from the moment they click.